Good afternoon again, it's part 2, Lexus IS220D. We show you how to change the oil. Few the details we forgot. We use one of these engine flush. Warm up the engine, pour one of these engine flush inside the engine, run it for another 15 minutes. So clean all the stuff inside the engine. All the details you can see on the can. So we pour the oil inside the engine now. It's approximately 6 liter on this model, but that's 2.2 liter engine. But make sure just add later, you just pour 4.5 liter, 5 liter, and then check the dipstick again. And if it required, just top in more. So this is 2 levels. And you pour the oil in the engine, run the engine for a few minutes, and then check the level again. Here we go. In this case we add 6 liters in this engine, but all of us pour 5 liters and dip it again and check it. So don't forget, that's it. When you run the engine for 5-10 minutes, just make sure there's no leak from the oil pan plug, some plug, and then filter housing. If you got a leak, you're gonna have it around here. It's a little drip in this area, in here, in this area here. So everything is fine. So what we do later on, we're going to put the flat back, and that's it. At least every few weeks, as the owner of these cars, you must just check the oil level. Don't forget. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.